First on 5, a local case is under a national magnifying glass as 3 high-profile civil rights attorneys team up to call for transparency in the death of Jawan Dallas in Mobile.
News 5's Asher Red is joining us in the studio right now to tell us who these attorneys are and why they've taken over the case.
Yeah, Peter, so John Burris, Ben Crump, and Lee Merritt have joined the team representing the family of Jawan Dallas, who did die in that encounter with Mobile police on July 2nd. The 3 attorneys gained notoriety representing the families of George Floyd, Tyree Nichols, and Rodney King, among others.
So when I heard the facts of the case, I thought it was pretty outrageous, particularly when you have a situation, essentially, a person sitting in their car and the police come up on him. There's some discourse, but whatever happened, he wound up dead.
4 attorneys now fighting for justice in the death of Jawan Dallas. Police say Dallas was in the area of an attempted burglary in Theodore earlier this month and matched the description given by the 911 caller. Police say Dallas refused to show his ID and he ran. Police say an officer tased him a first time to no effect, and then Dallas tried to take the taser away from the officer. He was then tased a second time. Chief Paul Prine spoke about the case last week.
I think it's important to note that at the moment Mr. Dallas attempted to take the taser from the officers restrained themselves very well and had every right under the policy and under state law to implement deadly force, and they didn't do it.
21 minutes after he was placed in handcuffs, police say Dallas had a medical emergency related to his asthma condition. He was later pronounced dead at the hospital. Dallas's family requested to see body camera footage of the incident, and the city denied their request.
The truth of this case will be determined in large measure by the video cameras.
However, Prine says that body camera footage is only a minor part of this investigation.
You keep asking about body-worn cameras, but I think it's important to note the body-worn camera is only a small portion of this investigation.
It is generally my experience when that happens is because the police have something to hide.
Police officers who searched Dallas's car say they found a gun and drugs, including a bag of what they believe is crystal meth. An autopsy has been completed, but police are still waiting on the results of a toxicology report to determine a cause of death. In the studio, I'm Asher Red, WKRG News 5.